Guys, Ileana here. It is time for how do you say, like those blind boxes, blind bags, whichever one. I saw these the other day online on Instagram, I think it was, an advertisement for Gudetama collaboration with Tokidoki. So Sanrio with Tokidoki, the character Gudetama mixed up with the Tokidoki characters, all that jazz. If you guys know what you're talking about, it's super cute. Maybe you've already seen it. Either way, I have currently been obsessed with Gudetama. And yes, just the cutest egg ever. And I left some of my stuff. It's too bad. I'm already in my setup. But we're just going to get into it. So online, I looked online. You can order them online. There's only 8 currently. There's one series. Maybe they'll do future ones. But they are about $10 online. Then you have to pay shipping, that sort of thing. Well, I was kind of just like, well, I'll get them online for sure if I can't find them in stores. So we just so happened to be at the mall. We were seeing a movie at the mall theater. And we went looking around the stores. And crazy enough, which I knew this was going to happen. So we found them in Hot Topic, and they were about almost $13 for one. That's how high that they raised the price on them. And instead, I was just like, I knew this was going to happen. We went to Think Geek, which I love Think Geek. If you guys know that store, it just has a lot of like really cool, really cute home stuff for like, I don't know, just whatever fan thing that like anime or Sanrio, Tokidoki, anything really cute. There's a lot of stuff in there like Sailor Moon, Naruto, I don't know. If you guys like all that stuff, you probably already know about Think Geek. They've had their 10-year anniversary. So enough of that. Of course, I went into Think Geek. They always have good deals. They always have good prices. And they had the Gudetama ones there, the Gudetama Tokidoki, and they were the price that they were online, so yay, no shipping, and the right price. And not only that, their blind boxes were buy 3, get 1 free, and I didn't even know, I was just going to buy 3, and they're just like, well, if you're going to get 3, then go pick another one, because you're going to get another one. So I was just like, oh my god, here they are, guys. Okay, after that huge long intro, here it is, right here, guys. Do you see this? This egg? Yeah, you totally can't see that. So we're just gonna get into them. Like I said, I have, look, and there's the characters that you can get them with. I got 4. So of course the usual, we're gonna be hoping that we don't get any repeats. I got 4 of these. Spent about $30. Let's hope we don't get any repeats. Let's see, where can I open this? I know I can open this somewhere. Are we just gonna have to tear this apart or something? Alright, I got some scissors. We're gonna bust these open. Alright, first one. Oh my god. Wait. Is this tape? Oh my god. Of course it's tape. They just don't want people busting into these. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go, finally. Opening the egg. Okay, oh, what's this? What's this? Does this have the characters? Oh, look. It has this information. You can pause and read this. These are the little characters that you can get. There's only 8 currently. So, that's the information. Series 1, Tokidoki and Gudetama. Alright. So here it is. It's still in here. Guys, you're gonna see it before me. What are we getting? Oh, yes! This is the one I wanted. Yes, this is the one I wanted, guys! Ah, this is the one I wanted for sure. One of the main ones. Oh my god. Guys, he's adorable! And they're big. Okay, I'm a small person, I have a small hand, but like, the fact that he's in the palm of my hand, that's pretty good. So, again, I got this one for $10. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's adorable. He's adorable. Alright, guys, on to the next one. We got 3 more. Let's hope for... no repeat. Alright, guys. You guys are seeing it. Oh, what one do we have this time? Oh my god, it's the next one. Oh, it's Donatella driving a Gudetama, like, car. Do you see this? I mean, these characters are just so freaking cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Like, come on. Both donut characters? Yes. I love Donatella. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Next one. We're gonna get this one open. All the scissors, guys. This is our third one. Oh, this is the... do they have names? No, they don't have their names on here. Mermaid corn, I think is what they're called. The mermaid corn. Look. Oh my god. Gudetama's riding on him. So this is like a unicorn and a Pegasus and a mermaid all put in one. This is their crazy main character that Tokidoki has. Did you guys ever listen or like watch that show Class of 3000 with Andre 3000 and like they're just like, oh, this is a peccacorn because it has a horn and wings. So what do you call a peccacorn with a mermaid tail? I forgot what Tokidoki calls their character. But yes, third one. Alrighty guys. We are on the last one. Last one, guys. Here we go. Last one. Ugh. This is our fourth and last one, guys. What is it? Oh, yes, yes. Oh my god, this is the other. Oh my god. I mean, really, guys, I wanted all of them, but I am happy with all the ones that I got. Oh my god, this is one of my other favorite characters. Oh, it needs to focus on him. There we go. This is one of my other favorite characters from Tokidoki. Just this adorable little dog who's a cactus. I have this as a bag. Oh my god. And like he has chopsticks with Gudetama just stuck in his mouth. And this is one of my other favorite characters from Tokidoki. And I am just so excited. These two right here are the ones that I absolutely wanted. These are the ones that I really wanted. So guys, we got 4 out of 4 of them because that's all I bought. I just bought 4 of them. And that one is really cute. I mean, they're all really cute. So there's this one that we don't have. This one, and this one. So this one would have been really cute to get. What does that say? Oh, that says the chaser. So I think is that the hard one to get? This one right here would have been really cute to get. Gudetama's on its head. I guess this is the really hard one to get, maybe. It says chaser. That one is super cute. I just love that little dog. I'm glad that they have 2 versions of that dog. He's cute. I'm glad I have him. You know what I'm saying? So that, like, oh my gosh. So we got 4 out of the 8 of Series 1. So let's see if they make a Series 2 out of a Gudetama Tokidoki collaboration. Oh my god, they're so cute. So pretty much there would be a much higher chance of us getting a repeat in the future if we got any more, if we get any more. I'm glad with the 4 that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and opening these blind bags with me. Blind boxes, blind bags, blind eggs. What are we going to call them? I am super happy with the ones that I got. And until next time, guys, please subscribe and like and share and all that good supportive stuff for this channel. I do whatever video fits into my daily situation. So join me in seeing what happens and what's going on. So bye guys, until next time.